Now this video will show how to test the laser beam path. Is okay. Firstly, because we just test, so we paste a paper on the third reflective lens. Then we move the laser head in the left upper corner, and then press pause. Then we move the laser head to the right, to the lower left corner. Then press pause. Now we can see in the right lower corner, we press pause, and in the right upper corner, we press the pause. Then we press 4 times the pause, and we get 4 points. If 4 points are coincidence in the same position, then the testing is okay. Now we are testing the focus lens. The focus lens, and we press the pause button, and we get a hole. If the hole is a circle, shape, then the testing is okay. This is for testing the laser beam path. Because the laser tube will be disassembled for the delivery. So after installation on the site, on the client's site, we have to test the laser beam path in order to get the engraving precision. Finish.